Good morning, family. How are you guys doing on YouTube here? Big announcement today. If you didn't see our last video, we are officially releasing these two indicators to you guys because we partner with TradingView. We got them uploaded last night. Watch for the email. We're going to be giving you guys who have purchased our bundle pack in the past a massive discount on these indicators today. So definitely look out for that if you are a new subscriber. I'll talk about it at the end of this video. I want to get into this, guys, because we're going to look at this and show you guys potential drop zones. But this is pretty bullish, guys. 250 billion inflows crypto market cap in the last 30 days is buying power mounts. Take a look at this. In the last 30 days up to the moment of publication, the total cryptocurrency market cap has increased from 911 billion to 1.161 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap data received by Finfold on August 11th. Here we are today on August 11th. So people are throwing their money back into crypto because they're getting excited. The market's going up. We got the Ethereum merge. We got the Cardano Vassal hard fork coming up. Guys, BlackRock obviously opened up into institutional investors. These are all very bullish signs. I want to also show you this chart now. USDC is also moving down as well, which means that we are anticipating that as USDC moves out of the market, well, where's that money going? It's going into the market. So this is another bullish sign that people are taking their money out of security, out of their stable coins, and they're putting it into the market and they're exposing it because they believe the move up is going to continue. However, let's take a look at some metrics here. If this is what I'm watching, guys, once you have this on your chart today, I want you guys to be watching this because it's what I'm watching. This metric here has done a very good job, almost like scary accurate. No matter what news came out through all of this, this was able to predict the exact top candles before market reversals back down in Bitcoin. It's been pretty insane. So obviously, what's the next thing we're going to be watching for? I'm watching for this bar to come up here to the top side and actually give us a sell signal because we could be potentially seeing a decent move back down. I'm also watching this to turn red maybe today or tomorrow. Now, the risk management, guys, it's always going to be over here. We're looking to scalp the market for 4%, but we're waiting for a buy signal to go off, and then we're going to be looking to get into the market. Everyone come over here, pull your regression tool, come to the bottom, go to the top, click it once, and here's what we need to be looking for, guys. We're looking at a top regression trend up here, and I think we could potentially see Bitcoin max out here at about 26,000. Here's the fun part about this, guys, is that I like to try to predict when we're going to get the next sell signal, and I wouldn't doubt if around 26,000 we could potentially see that. Not only is it going to push up to an ascending resistance, but we're also going to be close to this red resistance line up here, and we're probably going to see another bar go off here, but it doesn't end there. Let me show this to you guys on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is insane, guys. This metric literally called, like, there is a top for you guys. Very closely called the top there, calling the reversal back in Bitcoin, called the drop here, and gave you guys a strong buy. So anybody who purchased down here, we actually ended up entering $50,000 into the market down here. We didn't have this metric at that time, unfortunately, but it's okay. We got it now. Here's what I want you guys to be looking for as far as the regression trend. We're going to pull from the top here to the downside. Now, pulling the top of the wick value in a regression trend, this shows we could potentially move up to about $34,000 and then see it move back down. Here's what I want you guys to do. I want us to come over here and pull the top of this point right here, because here's what I could potentially see as an argument here. We could be seeing this move up here and moving up and getting to what's called a pressure point here, right around the area of about 31,000, maybe 32,000 for Bitcoin. Now, not only does this relate to an ascending channel that we've got right here and a descending channel with a descending resistance right here, it also correlates to horizontal structure resistance. So we have three very, very strong levels in Bitcoin that we could be seeing a drop, and I wouldn't doubt if that happens somewhere around this $31,000 to $32,000 area, and we're going to be watching for that. Because here's how we translate this over, guys. Let's just take you to this account over here. You know, we're up about $5,000 in the last 2 days. We've been very excited about that. And here's the deal. We've got about 20% of all of our money still in the market at these lower prices, and 80% is in cash. I do believe the crypto market's going to see somewhat of a drop back down, and because I don't think this can just keep heading up higher and higher every single day. What I'm doing is I'm watching this 1 day time frame, which you guys can watch this over on our metrics over here. If you guys go to tradeconfident.io, once you have a membership, you can watch this on the daily time frame. If you don't want to purchase the indicator today, that's fine. You guys can watch this over here, and you can get a membership for that. It's definitely cheaper to get a membership than buy the indicator, just so you guys know. But I'm watching this over here because I'm going to be looking to take out a little bit more money as we get our next sell signal up here. And I'll probably go down to, just so you guys know, about 15% exposure to the market, because I just don't think we're going to see this just, blast off here to the top. I think around this area, we could be seeing a massive drop back down. I just showed you guys an article saying that the Ethereum merge, guys, people look to sell the news. And if you guys have been around long enough in crypto, that's something that usually happens, is people sell the news. So I personally think all the money has been made during this time up until the merge call, and the merge call may actually be pretty bearish, which is expected in September. So we may only have this month here, guys, to make a little bit more money here, gather in our accounts, which is why I'm exiting. I'm only 20% exposed to crypto right now, and then we're looking for the drop back down. Speaking of the drop, and I want to wrap this video up here, as we start, or if we start moving down and we start getting anywhere close to this ascending support here and we get a buy signal, that is where we're going to be using this risk management strategy to get back into a scalping trade. Because those of you guys who are following us, we are currently sitting at 400%, let's look here, 400% more than the S&P 500, and these are all the trades we've called out since May 18th. So in the last 85 days, we've been able to secure 40% in the profit. Please calculate your own fees. Some of you don't have fees. That's why we calculate it like that. So I'm being patient over here because I'm watching for this market drop. The CPI report that came out and just made everything bullish, nobody expected to get that bullish the other day, but it did. So we're going to stay patient. We're going to follow the rules when we trade, and we're going to get in and get out of this market. I would not doubt if we hit about 600 to 700% more than the S&P 500 by the end of this year with the scalping strategy. We could potentially push to 1,000, but I think between 600 to 700% more is what we're looking like. Guys, I'll make this really fast. You know what to do. The links are in the description. If you want to join us, get access to all the charts, to watch the drops, to watch the buys, to watch the sell signals on crypto, get $75 a month membership. That's going to give you access to all 20 charts here, as well as you actually get all the charts for stocks. If you just want stocks, pay $49 a month. This used to be $95. We discounted it down to $75. So definitely snag that, guys. I'll be calling out all the trade calls. We're going to go live this month in a coaching call with all of you guys as members. And guys, look, the biggest deal today is we are releasing this indicator to you. So please watch out over email for all of you who are members. And here's the deal. If you made it to the end of the video, can I just share this with you guys? Everybody who has purchased our previous bundle pack, there's a lot of you guys who have, we are going to give every single one of you a massive discount on the new indicators, which we're going to be releasing at about 10 to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please do not buy the new indicators before you get the email, because we are going to save you guys a ton of money. It's the way we want to honor you guys. So if you guys have seen our charts and you've been watching, the trend exhaustion, price risk while money flow, and you want to go ahead and buy the bundle pack today, I'll put a link in the description for this. You guys, since you buy this today, or since you've bought it, you will receive hundreds of dollars off the indicator today when we release it. And technically, the new indicator, the retail price of it, which you guys are going to be purchasing without the coupon code, is actually more expensive than buying the old bundle pack and the new indicators. So it's better to get all the past indicators, all 9 of these, and then go ahead. You guys will be qualified for the coupon code, and then we'll give you guys the hundreds of dollars off the new ones that we're going to be releasing this morning. So the best deal, just hands down to let you guys know, is everyone who has already purchased the bundle pack or purchase it this morning, and then we'll give you guys an additional discount when the email comes out. And all you guys have to do is watch the Telegram channel, as well as watch out for the emails that we're going to be sending you today. All right, guys, I love this so much. It's making analysis simple. We're just waiting for the sell signal, look to exit more in the market. And if it goes back down, we're going to enter back more in to buy more coins before this thing really takes off. And that is how we're making money. I love you guys. Super exciting day. Watch your emails today very closely, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.